How many memes can you guess by emoji? You have 32 questions and 8 seconds to answer. Make sure to subscribe and let's get started. Question 1. This meme is so trendy in nowadays. Did you recognize it? Yup, it's Skibidi toilet meme. Question number 2. This one is super easy. Take your time, Quizly people. Easy, it's Cristiano Ronaldo meme.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
Question 3. Everyone should guess this, right? It's the 1-2 buckle my shoe meme.
1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4.
Question 4. What do this 2 emoji means? It's John Cena ice cream meme.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋。
Question 5. This meme is related to Minecraft game. Yeah, it's the Minecraft dirt block meme.
I look like a Minecraft dirt block. I look like a Minecraft...
Question 6. This meme is also related to a game. Can you guess it? It's a Mogus meme. Question 7. This meme is old, but it will never die. It's shocked squirrel meme. Question 8. Can you guess this meme by emojis? It's the Wednesday dance meme.
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands.
Question 9. What about this meme? Can you guess it? It's the doll from Squid Game. Question 10. This meme is so funny. Try to guess it right. It's Cat vibing to Leave and Polka. Round 11. You have plenty of time, don't rush answering. It's Why Are You Running meme.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Round 12. This one is super easy. Skibidi bum bum meme.
Skibidi dop 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 dop. Yes, 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 yes.
How this emojis looks funny. It's Giga Chad meme. Round 14. Take your time, quizzers. Well played, it's Dancing Crab. Round 15. Make sure to hit that like button if you're enjoying so far. You are so good.
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
Round 16. This emoji looks sad. It's the crying guy meme. Round 17. Only a few will guess this meme. It is what it is meme.
It is what it is. It is what it is. It is.
Round 18. It's wait a minute meme.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Round 19. This one looks difficult. Directed by meme. Round 20. This meme is so famous. What do this stove and saxophone mean? Yeah, it's when mom isn't home meme. Question 22. Hint. This one is a famous gaming YouTuber. It's I Show Speed. Question 23. You serious meme? Question 24. This looks like a sport meme. It's camera whoa meme. Question 25. Guess the meme by this emojis. It's fake Mr. Beast. Question 26. It's the Sigma meme. Question 27. The Rock meme. Question 28. Be patient and answer correctly. DJ Khalid, another one meme.
Another one. Another one. Another one.
Question 29. Question 30. It's him under the water meme.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
Question 31. Gamer Electric Attack meme. Question 32. Can you guess the meme by only these two emojis? I know you can. It's that one guy. Click on the screen to watch our latest quiz. Click now and I'll meet you there. Bye-bye.